Hello and welcome. I'm a hotel AI expert, and it's my pleasure to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to your online learning journey. Today, we're going to explore something that is absolutely transforming hotel operations, the synergy between AI, housekeeping, and maintenance. We truly look forward to supporting your professional growth, so let's begin.
So let's dive right in with a critical question, one that every hotel manager has to grapple with. What is the real cost of poor communication between your key departments? It's so much more than just a few missed messages. We're talking about tangible losses. Lost revenue, guests who decide not to return, and a team that's perpetually stressed, just trying to put out fires. The good news? We're about to explore the solution.
You see, for too long, there's been this hidden friction in hotel operations. Just think about it for a second. Housekeeping and maintenance. They're really two sides of the very same coin, both essential for the guest experience. But traditionally, they've operated in separate silos, almost in their own worlds. And when that coordination fails, a dripping tap that's ignored, a room that isn't ready for check-in, who really feels the impact? Well, it's the guest. And that, of course, affects the hotel's bottom line and its reputation.
Okay, so let's break down where this operational tension comes from. On one hand, you have housekeeping. Their primary goal? Speed. Efficiency, turning over rooms as quickly as possible to get them ready for the next arrival. But then you have maintenance. Their priority is completely different. It's about thorough, quality repairs. And you just can't rush fixing a complex electrical issue, right? So you have this natural conflict. Get it done fast versus get it done right. And that's exactly where communication breakdowns can start to undermine the entire guest experience.
So the big question is, how do we build a bridge between these two vital departments? Well, this is where artificial intelligence comes in. And no, it's not some far-off futuristic concept. It's a smart, practical tool that acts as an intelligent bridge, a translator, if you will. AI takes in all this disparate data, room statuses, maintenance requests, guest arrival times, and weaves it all into one single, cohesive, intelligent operational plan. This kind of innovative, integrated thinking is precisely what's at the core of a modern curriculum, like the one here at Europe Hotel School, London.
And this leads us to a really powerful concept: predictive maintenance coordination. Now, what is that exactly? Well, it's an AI-driven process that uses all the data from day-to-day operations to actually anticipate maintenance needs well before they become problems that a guest ever sees. It allows hotels to shift from a reactive, fix-it-when-it-breaks model to a proactive, predictive one. We're not just talking about fixing things faster anymore. We're talking about preventing them from breaking in the first place. That is a fundamental shift in operations.
Okay, so that's the high-level concept, but how does this actually work in a real hotel environment? Let's walk through the entire journey, from the moment an issue is first reported to its final resolution, and see this AI-powered workflow in action.
So, picture this. A housekeeper is in a room going about their daily cleaning routine, and they notice a small, slow leak under the sink. Now, in the old system, that might mean a paper form, maybe a phone call that gets lost in the shuffle. But here, they simply log the issue on a tablet. Instantly, that data goes to the AI platform. And the AI doesn't just see a leaky tap, it analyzes it. It asks, has this room had plumbing issues before? How severe is this leak really? But this is where the intelligence truly shines. The system also knows the real-time status of the entire hotel. It sees that a high-value guest is checking into an adjacent room soon, and that room's air conditioning just flagged a potential fault. So the AI automatically prioritizes the AC repair. It's not that the leak is ignored, it's just that the task is scheduled intelligently based on immediate guest impact. It's all about smart, dynamic prioritization. When you put all of this together, what you get is a powerful, proactive advantage. It's a complete shift in mindset. Instead of your teams constantly being on the back foot, reacting to complaints and emergencies, the hotel can finally get on the front foot. They're not just responding to problems anymore, they're actively preventing them. Let's look at some of the tangible benefits that come from this proactive approach. So, what does this all mean for the hotel's performance? Well, the benefits are huge. First, you're reducing room downtime. A room that's out of service is a room that's not generating revenue. Simple as that. You're also extending the life of your assets, your HVAC systems, your plumbing, because you're maintaining them properly. Critically, you're minimizing guest disruption. Repairs can be scheduled for when rooms are empty, and because the AI spots patterns, you can prevent those annoying recurring issues from ever happening again. And all of this leads to the ultimate metric, a boost in guest satisfaction. And as we all know, happy guests become loyal guests.
This chart really paints a clear picture. On one side, you have the traditional reactive model. Look at the impact: high costs from emergency repairs and compensation, and a significant negative impact on the guest experience. But then, look at the proactive model. Powered by AI, guest impact is low because issues are solved behind the scenes, and costs are optimized because maintenance is planned and efficient. For any hotel leader looking at this, the path forward is incredibly clear, isn't it?
But I want to emphasize, this is about so much more than just implementing a new technology or a new piece of software. This represents a new system of thinking. It's about moving beyond departmental silos and embracing a holistic view of the hotel as one interconnected system. Because when housekeeping, maintenance, and the front desk are all working from the same intelligent data, that's when you create the foundation for a truly seamless and exceptional guest experience. This is the future of hospitality management, and it's this kind of systems thinking that we are instilling here at Europe Hotel School London.
This statement here really captures the essence of what we're aiming for. The result is a proactive operational environment where issues are resolved efficiently. Think about that. That's the goal. An environment where you're not just fighting fires, but preventing them, where your teams are empowered and efficient, and your guests are consistently delighted. That's not a far-off dream. That is the new standard for a high-performing, modern hotel.
So, as you prepare to become the next generation of leaders in this industry, I want to leave you with this thought. This proactive mindset is the most powerful tool you will have. It's not just about the AI. It's about how you think. It's about anticipating needs, seeing the connections, and always looking for a smarter way to operate. So my question for you is this. As a future leader, how will you apply this proactive thinking in your own career to shape the future of hospitality? I'm confident you will achieve great things.